In recent years, artificial intelligence has entered the creative realm, producing artworks that rivaled those of human artists. From generating realistic portraits to crafting abstract masterpieces, AI is challenging our perception of creativity and artistic expression. But as the lines blur between AI art and human art, a question arises: can you tell the difference? Let's delve into this fascinating debate, exploring how AI creates art, how it compares to human creativity, and whether it can ever truly replicate the soul of human expression. The rise of AI in art. AI art is the product of algorithms designed to mimic human creativity. These algorithms analyze vast datasets of existing artworks to learn styles, techniques, and patterns. For instance, tools like DALL-E and DeepArt use neural networks to create stunning visual pieces based on textual prompts or input images. Similarly, music and literature are being reimagined by AI, with platforms like OpenAI's MuseNet composing symphonies and ChatGPT writing poetry. The appeal of AI art lies in its ability to produce pieces quickly in virtually any style, and often at a lower cost than hiring a human artist. AI-generated art has been showcased in galleries, sold at auctions for millions, and even used in branding and marketing campaigns. For example, in 2018, an AI-created portrait titled Edmond de Bellamy sold for $432,500 at Christie's, marking a milestone for AI in the art world. However, while the capabilities of AI are impressive, they also raise questions about originality, authenticity, and the value of human touch in art. How AI creates art. AI's creative process is fundamentally different from that of humans. It begins with data collection. Algorithms are trained on extensive datasets comprising thousands or even millions of artworks. These datasets teach the AI to recognize artistic styles, color palettes, and composition techniques. Next comes the generative phase, where AI produces new works by combining and transforming the elements it has learned. This is achieved using techniques like generative adversarial networks, where two neural networks, one generating art and the other evaluating it, work together to refine the output. The result is often a piece that closely resembles the style of a particular artist or movement. While AI can produce visually stunning art, its process lacks the spontaneity, intuition, and emotional depth that characterize human creativity. This distinction becomes crucial when evaluating AI art versus human art. The human creative process. Human creativity is deeply rooted in emotion, experience, and cultural context. Unlike AI, which relies on pre-existing data, human artists draw inspiration from their unique perspectives, personal struggles, and interactions with the world around them. The creative process for humans often involves trial and error, self-expression, and a desire to communicate ideas or emotions. For example, Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night is not merely a depiction of a night sky, but a reflection of the artist's emotional state and worldview. Similarly, contemporary artists often use their work to address social and political issues, creating pieces that resonate on a personal and societal level. This emotional and experiential depth is something AI struggles to replicate. While it can imitate styles and techniques, AI lacks the lived experiences that infuse human art with meaning and soul. Can you tell the difference? At first glance, it may be challenging to distinguish between AI-generated and human-created art, especially as AI continues to improve. AI can mimic intricate brushstrokes, detailed textures, and even abstract concepts, making its creations visually indistinguishable from human art. However, there are subtle differences that keen observers may notice. Lack of narrative depth. Human art often tells a story or conveys a deeper meaning, whereas AI art can feel superficial. For instance, an AI-generated landscape might be visually stunning but lack the emotional resonance of a human-created piece inspired by personal experiences. Repetition and patterns. AI may inadvertently repeat patterns or motifs, as its creations are based on learned data. In contrast, human art is more likely to exhibit originality and spontaneity. Cultural nuances. Human artists are influenced by their cultural backgrounds and societal contexts, which shape their work in unique ways. AI, on the other hand, lacks cultural awareness and can sometimes produce pieces that feel out of context or lack authenticity. To test whether people can tell the difference, researchers have conducted experiments where participants are shown AI and human artwork side by side. Results have been mixed, with many participants unable to reliably identify the source of the art. This highlights both the sophistication of AI and the subjective nature of art appreciation. The value of AI art. Despite its differences from human art, AI-generated art has its own value and place in the creative landscape. It democratizes art creation by making it accessible to those without formal training or technical skills. Anyone with access to AI tools can experiment with creating visual, musical, or literary works. AI art is also a powerful tool for collaboration. Artists are increasingly using AI as a co-creator, leveraging its capabilities to enhance their work. For instance, AI can generate ideas, suggest color schemes, or even complete unfinished pieces, providing a new dimension to the creative process. Moreover, AI art is redefining the concept of originality. By blending elements from different styles and movements, AI produces works that challenge traditional notions of authorship and creativity. This has sparked debates about whether AI-generated art can be considered real art and how it should be valued in comparison to human-created pieces. Challenges and controversies. The rise of AI art has not been without controversy. One major concern is the issue of intellectual property. Since AI is trained on existing artworks, questions arise about whether it is ethical to use other artists' work as data without their consent. Some argue that this practice undermines the originality of AI art and devalues the contributions of human artists. Another concern is the potential for AI to replace human artists in certain industries. For example, AI-generated illustrations and designs are already being used in advertising, gaming, and publishing. While this can reduce costs and increase efficiency, it also raises fears about job displacement and the devaluation of human labor in the arts. Finally, there is the philosophical question of whether AI can ever truly create art. Critics argue that creativity requires consciousness, intention, and emotion, qualities that AI lacks. They see AI art as a product of programming rather than genuine expression, questioning its place in the art world. The future of AI and human art. As AI continues to evolve, its role in the art world is likely to grow. We may see more collaborations between human artists and AI, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. AI could also play a role in preserving and restoring historical artworks, analyzing their composition, and creating replicas with incredible accuracy. At the same time, human art will remain irreplaceable. The emotional depth, individuality, and cultural significance that define human creativity cannot be replicated by machines. In a world increasingly influenced by technology, human art serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and the unique experiences that shape us. The debate over AI versus human art is not about choosing one over the other, but exploring how they can coexist and complement each other. By embracing both, we can expand the possibilities of artistic expression and create a richer, more diverse creative landscape. Conclusion: AI art and human art represent two sides of the same coin, one driven by algorithms and data, the other by emotion and experience. While AI can produce visually stunning pieces, it lacks the narrative depth and soul that define human creativity. Yet, AI's role as a tool and collaborator is opening new doors for artists and redefining what art can be. The question of whether you can tell the difference between AI and human art ultimately depends on your perspective. For some, the distinction may not matter as long as the work resonates emotionally or aesthetically. For others, the human touch remains an essential aspect of artistic value. As we move forward, the relationship between AI and art will continue to evolve, challenging our perceptions and inspiring new ways of thinking about creativity. Whether created by humans, machines, or a combination of both, art will always have the power to move, inspire, and connect us. If you enjoyed this video into creativity and technology, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Can you tell the difference between AI and human art? Let us know. And hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.